sit down to discuss the issues, the problems that we have, but that is not happening, and we think we should advise our members appropriately. And this goes to the whole nation. Nobody should be part of this issues program. It's a failure.
The union cited a document from the managers of the E-Zwich platform dated 11th November 2014, which showed that the E-Zwich registration is a failure.
You know, we have one of their machines in front of our office, and then they themselves wrote to us. Let me quote. They say, in the view of the absence of commercial return on the operations of the terminal, so they themselves know the program is a failure. You see, we're asking government not to offload the inefficiencies of the E-Zwich program on public sector workers. This letter is coming from them, that the program is a failure. And it was signed by Achiesi, the Chief Executive Officer.
The unions have once again indicated plans to welcome any discussion on the E-Zwich, but are sure to get their members already on the platform to withdraw.
The Anti-Piracy Textile Task Force has impounded 2 trucks and seized about 300 pieces of suspected pirated wax prints imported from Togo. Now, the task force, together with the police and customs, have begun investigations to identify and prosecute the importers of the suspected pirated textiles.
A member of the Anti-Piracy Textile Task Force, Samuel Hermans Ade, says the 2 trucks from neighboring Togo were impounded upon a tip-off. About 300 pieces of alleged pirated textiles have since been seized.
In collaboration with the police and customs, 2 trucks were seized and sent to the customs laboratory at airport. And that's what we are doing at the moment, going through the trucks to ascertain what pirated fabrics are in. In one of the trucks that we went through, we seized about almost 262 textiles.
The task force warned traders to avoid trading in pirated fabrics, which is collapsing the local textile industry.
The police are currently conducting their investigation. The textiles will be in the custody of the police. They're going to bring the culprits to book.
The Anti-Piracy Textile Task Force was set up by the Ministry of Trade and Industry in 2010, with representatives from the Environmental Protection Agency, Ghana Standards Authority, and the Textile Manufacturers and Textile Importers Association of Ghana. It's tasked to stop illegal importation of fake textiles and protect the local industry.
Vivo Energy Ghana, distributor and marketer of Shell-branded fuel and lubricants, has launched the Shell Advance AX3 and AX5 for motorbike users. Now, the product is designed to ensure motorcycles get optimum performance from their bikes.
The 2015 CIMG Petroleum Company of the Year, Vivo Energy Ghana, has Shell as its topmost brand. Shell's leadership in lubricant innovation has made brands such as Shell Helix and Shell Remula leading brands worldwide. Shell Advanced Lubricants is specifically designed for motorcycles. The oil comes in 2 variants, Shell Advanced AX3, a mono-grade, and Shell Advanced AX5, a premium multi-grade. Country Sales and Marketing Manager John Doe Samlafo said the new products are designed to meet the unique needs of motorbike users.
Shell Advanced Lubricant is designed to enable you enjoy the thrilling performance of your motorbike and are now available at your favorite lubricant shops and all service stations throughout the country.
The lubricant is designed with advanced technology to keep motorbikes at their peak condition.
Shell Advance protects your motorbike engine and prevents wear and tear. Shell Advance minimizes vibration and engine noise and gives a smoother, quieter ride.
The Tamale Metropolitan Coordinating Director, Philibert Kupol, noted the Shell Advanced Lubricant is a relief to motorcycle owners and users. Vivo Energy Ghana presented 50 helmets, Shell products and other souvenirs to motorbike users.
Well, despite energy challenges in the year 2015, Unilever recorded a growth rate of 26% in 2015 over the year 2014. Now, the growth rate was as a result of personal brands that delivered the highest profit by 42.6%.
35.7 million cedis of profit after tax was recorded in the year 2015 compared to 700,000 cedis recorded in the year 2014. This represents a 9.7% improvement in the operating profit margin, unlike the 1% improvement in the previous year. Notable of the products that excel in the personal brands category are skin cleansing products, which recorded a 36.9% growth. The managing director of Unilever, Mehdi Akutu, explained the feat was as a result of improved marketing performance, but added consumers were exempted from any extra charges on products.
We simply enhanced those strategies going into 2015. One was to really manage our costs. The second was also around significant cost savings initiatives across the entire business. So all the way from how we run the factory, how we procure our raw materials, we sought cost savings throughout. And a lot of that, as you mentioned, resulted in good profits at the end of the day.
The chairman for Unilever, Ishmael Yamson, added the company saw a significant increase in sales as a result of its corporate social responsibilities, which appeal to a larger market.
You have to look at what things can you stop doing and what things can you do more. If there are costs that really don't add huge value to your business, you cut it out. And people become conscious that everything you do adds cost to the business. So you have to ask first the question, should I do this or should I not do that? So cost discipline becomes a way of life.
Shareholders were assured of strategic investments that will yield profits while still improving on quality.
All right, so let's go on to the commodities market and find out how the commodities are faring today. And we start off with what's happening with gold specifically. And stocks are leveraged to the gold price. Bullion supported a 20% increase this year, 1,275.83. There's been an increase of 0.13% then. That will reflect in the gold, an ounce of gold on the world markets. The gold, cocoa prices keep falling, as you can see, 0.96% at 2,899. Yesterday, if you recall, was selling at about 2,950. There's been a reduction there. Now, with cotton, 62.21, there's been a rise in the price, 2.0. The good news for growers of cotton, for coffee as well, as you can see, is dropping as a result of the inconsistencies in the prices as traders are negotiating on the world market. 132.70 is what is selling for. Now, the crude oil, a barrel of crude oil on the world market. There's been a lot of activity. There's been projections that it will sell at $50 a barrel. Prices rose due to the supply outage from Canada to Nigeria as well. And Nigeria's production declined, if you could recall, to a 2009 low due to multiple pipeline outages. And we're monitoring the situation in Nigeria. But that's it for the business news this evening. My name is Alfred Kansi. Good evening.